So, have you all made your New Year resolutions for 2022? And are they the exact same ones you have made in 2021? Because mine are. So today I'm introducing you a very powerful idea that will make your 2022 different from all the other years. Everyone wants to improve their lives one way or another. They want to lose some of their body fat, make more money, and have better relationships. And people make New Year resolutions every year thinking this year will be different. However, they fail every time and they make the same New Year resolutions over and over again. Well, the key that is going to change the game is how you make your decisions. People really underestimate the power of making decisions. They don't know what it really means to make decisions and what making decisions can do. People don't decide they're going to win the life they really want. They just simply wish those things happen. Well, there's a huge difference between wishing and deciding. To wish is to hope things happen even if you don't do anything about it. This really is my story because I always wanted a chiseled body, but I usually chose to watch YouTube and play video games rather than working out. To decide is to actually do shit. It is to actually do shit, learn from your failures, and work your way out to success by constantly improving your strategy. You don't have to know how to succeed from the beginning. What really matters is the decision that you're going to find a way no matter what. Now, this is my opinion, but people hope to get things way too easily. They put in extremely little effort thinking they could easily get their goals. And they quit so easily when they don't get what they want, which is actually pretty obvious. Successes of all the successful people are easily underestimated since we cannot see all the efforts they have made in order to achieve everything they have right now. It takes a long period of time and tons of effort to succeed in any kind of field. And that's why you don't have to know how to succeed from the beginning. What really matters is the decision that you're going to find a way no matter what. And after everything I said in this video, I believe it is most important to enjoy. We have to decide that we're going to enjoy the process despite the fact that it's going to be a long time of hard work. Because we won't be able to grind for a long time if we don't learn to enjoy the process. This was the first chapter of Awaken the Giant Within by Anthony Robbins. I'm telling you, I've read tons of books, but this one is the most powerful book I've ever read. I really hope each and every one of you could read this book, but I know that most of you don't really have time for this book, which is actually pretty thick. So I'm going to come back with more of his ideas summarized, so you guys can consume his ideas without having to read his book. So stay tuned.